हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम यूनियन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के बारे में अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे। एक यूनियन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एज्योर डेटा फैक्ट्री में हम कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं विथ प्रैक्टिकली वी आर गोइंग टू सी। हमारे पास एक बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट है। हमारे पास एक ब्लॉब स्टोरेज अकाउंट है। इस ब्लॉब स्टोरेज में हमारे पास दो फाइल हैं और दो कंटेनर हैं। फर्स्ट कंटेनर कंटेन वन फाइल, सेकंड कंटेनर कंटेन द सेकंड फाइल। ना हमें क्या करना है, इन दोनों फाइल को कंबाइन करना है, इन दोनों फाइल को यूनियन करना है एंड फाइनली हमें क्या करना है, इसे लोड करना है फाइनल लोकेशन में इन अ ब्लॉब स्टोरेज अकाउंट। सो दैट इज अवर रिक्वायरमेंट। So in previous video also read in a join transformation we were combining two. Then what is the difference between the join and union? It works similar to the SQL only. In a SQL also हमारे पास join transformation and union है, right? In a Azure Data Factory it also work in the same way. So union में हम क्या करते हैं, रो वाइज हम एक्चुअली ट्राई करते हैं इसे कंबाइन करने की। सपोज हमारे पास दो फाइल है। फर्स्ट फाइल कंटेन ID and the name and this is the ID 1 2 and the name Manish Rahul। और सेकेंड फाइल हमारे पास है ID 3 4 and the name is A and B। अगर हमें इन दोनों को कंबाइन करना है, अगर हम यूनियन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन यूज़ करेंगे, सो इन यूनियन में हम कैसे कंबाइन करते हैं। सो ID नेम विल बी द फाइनल कॉलम और व्हाट विल बी आवर फाइनल आउटपुट। अगर हम कंबाइन करेंगे तो हम रो टू रो बेसिस हम इसे ट्राई करते हैं कंबाइन करने की। यू कैन सी दिस विल बी आवर फाइनल आउटपुट आफ्टर कंबाइनिंग, आफ्टर डूइंग द यूनियन। So in this case you can see, right, this will be our final output, means whatever the data is available in first file, after that it will come the second file data, means this will be our final data in the case of the union. But in the case of joining, how actually we combine on the column basis, but in the union how actually we combine on a row to row basis, the data will be combined. That is the thing you have to remember. Now let's do a practical case and let's understand in Azure Data Factory how actually we can use a union transformation. Storage account, I have created input container. In this input container I have a Delhi CSV and Mumbai CSV file. So if I show you, this is a Mumbai CSV file, this is a Delhi CSV file, and what we want to combine this data on row wise. So for that we are using a union transformation. Now what I will do, I'll go to the data factory, go to the author, will create a data flow. So click on the data flow, click on the new data flow. Here we will select a source, select that. So you can give the name as a Mumbai. Click on the new data set. Where your file is blob stress, I'll select that. Click on continue. My file is CSV file, so I'll select that. Click on continue. And after that we have to create a link service, so I'll click on the link service. I'll select the subscription, I'll select the storage account, and after that I will click on the create. So this is how to create dataset and link service. We already covered in last video also. And after that we have to select the file paths. So my file is available into this input Mumbai CSV, so I'll select that. Click on the OK. Click on the OK. Now you can see in Mumbai we have a 4 column. So click on the data flow debug here first, and if you'll go to the data preview, if you'll refresh, you should be able to see your data. You can see I am able to read my Mumbai file. Now I'll click on the add source. I'll add the second. This is the Delhi CSV file, so I'll give the name as a Delhi. Dataset we will create. My blob storage, my data is available. I'll select that. CSV file, I'll select that. And you can use the same link service because we are using a same blob storage account, but path is different. So in input container my file is the Delhi CSV, so I'll select that. Click on the OK. Now here in Delhi also we have a file. If you want to preview data, click here, refresh, you should be able to see your data. Now Delhi file I am able to read. Now what we will do, we will perform a union transformation. So select here plus select a union. Now what is the incoming? It is asking like incoming is the Mumbai and union with the Delhi. So these two source you want to combine, right? So incoming string and the union with, you have to select the two source. So here we have union by option. So based on the name, if you want to union, like in my data set, if you will see, right, we have a month, sales, profit and location. Based on the name, if you want to union, you can select that. So we are going with that. After that, go to the data preview. Click on the refresh. Now let's see whether it's coming fine or not. Now you can see it is union based on the name, and you should be able to see Mumbai and the Delhi file both. What we will do, we'll add a sink. In the sink, we will create a data set. We want to store into the blob storage as a CSV file. Link service, we can use the same link service, and the file path we have to select, so I'll give the file path as output. Click on the OK. So this is our union transformation pipeline is ready. What I will do, I will go to the pipeline, I will create a new pipeline, and the data flow 2 I will try to drag here. Click on the publish all. Click on the publish. Once the publish will complete, we will try to run the pipeline. You can see publish is completed. What I will do, click on the add trigger, click on the trigger now. Click on the OK. Go to the monitor. Now you can see my pipeline is running. Let's wait it to be completed. Now you can see it is succeed now. So I'll go to the my storage account. I'll go to the output. My file should be available. You can see this is the part file. Multiple part file is created. But to avoid this, what you can do, go to the data factory, go to the author, go to the data flow, go to the sink. We have a mapping, right? Optimize. You can use a single partition. After that you can publish and you can run the pipeline. Then only in a one part file whole data will get saved. So like that we can do that. So I hope you got idea. That's it in this way. Thanks.